So okay, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, Forex Trading with status profit what $8,000 in 2 hours. Lead. Okay, we start now.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a
Wow,
day. Watch the
so nice intro. What 50 bit in a day? Wow, it
money
should
drip.
be
Pips pay
amazing.
my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay
Tips,
my bills.
tips
Pips pay
pay
my
my
bills.
bill. Wow, I realized tips pay my bill. Tips pay my
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay
wow.
Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and welcome to Take Profit Tuesday, where my mission
Okay.
is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. And without further ado, I just want to take you right in. I made about 8K on GBP odd on a buy setup, and as we were looking at this thing, my man Joe Genta checked. If I look at this right here,
Yeah, we can see he went down, up. Wow. It's not
just in and of
and
itself, all I'm seeing is I'm seeing some bearish movement, right? So I got to look at more than that. I can't just say this is some bearish movement and I trade based on that. Especially when you're swing trading, I got to look at the overall picture of what's happening here. And so what I personally do is I go out to the weekly chart, and I've showed my team this every single class for probably the last months and months and months. But when you zoom out, this is what's really going on in the market right now. You have this upward swinging channel that has been moving, and I'm going to actually get rid of this text. But you have this upward, you see them little green arrows that I showed you guys? That's nothing. That's like this tiny little piece of the market that's going on. What's really happening is we've had an upward swinging channel for over 3 years now. In 2016, in October, we hit a low.
High slow down zone. High to be still slow down zone. Lower be still slow down zone. And low slow down zone. Okay. Yeah. Maybe the
And we've been steadily climbing ever since, and that's been over 3 years now. And so right now, no matter what little bit of bearish movement we're seeing in the market right now, this is a bullish trend that we are in on GA. And we've been in that way, and this is the weekly chart. So this is big moves here. This is like a long time.
Yeah.
For 3 years, we've been climbing up this channel. And if we're going to know what's happening on the smaller time frame, then we need to know what's happening on the larger time frame, because nothing happens on the smaller time frames that isn't being affected overall by the larger time frame. Right now, price is trying to decide, do I come back into the zone and fight with my trend line, or do I reject this zone where there's convergence with the current trend line and push back up to the top? Price is trying to decide which one it does, and it's always going to take the path of least resistance, right? And so now that we understand what's going on in a weekly chart, what we do is we don't trade the weekly. We use that understanding of what's going on as we zoom out to bring it back to what we're doing here. On a weekly chart, we saw one big red candle that came back down here. But when we bring that down to the 4 hour, we understand that there's a lot of movement that goes on in there. And we have 30 pips from the real move, and we're going to end up pushing up to the 192.850. We're going to pull back, and then depending on that pullback, that mind blowing. You know what I'm saying? You saw a piece of it right there. But so check the full video out on his channel.
but I just wanted to bring that video into to this video here, so it can all kind of make sense how we trade as a team and, you know, make money as a team. So now I'm about to walk you through my process, my personal process of how I entered this trade. Stay tuned. Check these clips out.
All right, so this is a 4-hour.
Wow, what the hell, man? This is long. $150,000 and 20 big lots on, I'm sorry, 20 lots for 1 big
chart,
so
and all I saw, just to keep it very, very simple, is this wedge pattern forming. This is an uptrend, and I'm just connecting the dots together, and we're literally trying to break out of this wedge pattern. All right, now on a lower time frame, I got in here like on like a 2-hour chart, because this is a swing trade, and I usually don't swing trade, but this is one, and I saw an entry on like the 2-hour chart. All right, but this is the pattern I see here. All right, so you can know what's going on. So now I got my wedge pattern gonna happen. It's gonna be, so I was like, you know what, I'm about to pull the trigger on this and just follow it and monitor it. But the real confirmation that I'm looking for like 100 pips on is breaking this, closing outside of this wedge. We're out of there. So that's beautiful. At a $200 lot size, that's beautiful. But I'm trying to go for the $100. Price is approaching the zone. I call it easy money, guys. I am up 50 pips and since, I want to say, I jumped in this trade since about 2 hours. I'm thinking about moving up a stop loss. Well, not yet. At least you want to cover the break even. So I want to put my stop loss on a 2-hour chart. I want to put it at the body. So I'm going to move my stop loss up to here, right at the body where it started. So we up $6,500, about 60 pips. So we're going to keep monitoring it, and you know, I keep you updated. But this is definitely a winning trade, and I don't see any reason really to give back any much profit, you know, that many profits back, you know, trying to go for the home run. You know, I built my account up to 100,000, over 100,000 by waiting for trade this. Plus the Martin trend line color change, it broke a trend line. You see it's solid green. It's powerful. It shows you that momentum.
We're like last Thursday. All right, so today is actually the 17th now, and I just want to, you know, wrap this video up. You know, I've been very busy, but basically, you know, it broke through the zone as planned, as you can see in those previous clips, and it retested for all our retest traders. Boom, came right back on top of the zone times. So trend line game, get your trend line game right. I made a video on how to master the trend line. Go check it out. And we just closed above. Now I chickened out. I basically just took profit. I did not catch all of this. How many pips is this? From my entry point all the way up here was 149 pips. I didn't obviously, you can see on my trade, I didn't hold it that long. So that I took, and you know, we trade as a team. You feel me? We trade as a team. Brought Joe in, check his channel out, and he's our swing trader. So I'm our day trade methods. You would have moved it back under here. All right. Look where price is going. On another trade, and it's gonna put. What big moves did you catch this week or last week? Well, recently, right? What big moves did you catch? Did you catch GA? Comment below. Let me know if you caught it. I'm very interested in knowing how the family is doing. You guys are not just subscribers, you guys are family. I want to know how you're doing in the market, if you're struggling, because I want to make my videos catered around you guys, around what you guys need to learn currently right now. I don't want to just put a whole bunch of worthless content out. I really want to help you at the stage that you're at right now. So comment below, let me know what moves did you catch, and if you didn't, you know, if you missed it, let me know why. You feel me? Comment below. All right guys, so if you enjoyed this live trade video, you know, kind of like showing you my process as the trade developed, then, you know, click the video right over here.